Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond.
Hastings, South Africa, started in 1996 in South Africa. We employ roughly 1,000 people, so we're a big employer in the Western Cape. And our factory is actually here, just here in Atlantis. For every third TV sold in this country, it's a Hisense TV. For every third fridge sold in this country, it is a Hisense fridge. So our roots are deep, and our love for the Western Cape is deep.
So shine bright.